Here's an easy way to make potato bacon leek soup. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 leeks, 4 potatoes, 8 slices of bacon, hang on to the bacon fat, and 3 to 3.5 cups of chicken stock. You ready? So we're going to start by adding 1 teaspoon of our rendered bacon fat. We'll go 2 teaspoons of olive oil. To our oil, we're going to add, this is 2 leeks, and you can see I've been soaking it in the water. That's so that it cleans out, because leeks get a little dirty sometimes in there. Once the leeks have had a chance to soften up a bit, we're going to add 4 potatoes that I have peeled and rough cut. Now we're going to add half of the bacon that we cooked. To this, we're going to add chicken stock. And we're going to add 1, 2, 3 cups of chicken stock. Once it comes up to a boil, then you'll just put it down to medium and let it simmer until the potatoes are soft and tender. Turn off our stove, and we're going to use our immersion blender. I love the immersion blender. It could be a little thick, and that's okay. You can add some more chicken stock to it. I'm adding another ½ cup actually to mine. And it's done. Now we just have to season it. So we'll add a little salt and some fresh ground pepper. Our soup is done. We've plated it in this nice little bowl, and we've topped it with some more of our bacon. Enjoy!